know, yes, on this one, dear bro. Adom Adom entertainment, I may a Ghana for Chimoa. Me, I'm a guy, no.
Straight up. Where do you go? Oh, you guy. Sister Sandy be a guy.
New Yorker, school near what? School of Engineering Sound, and of course, osmosis, honor, or my tactics. I was in fear, dear, and some not dear. A huru ay. Mama Majumana buy. I said, cram my felache. I said, cram me break. Because I'm not Dawson. By now, I mean, I sure what it be say. Quando Beyonce, so chum Jay-Z. Eddie see near, just say. Enya some ketwa. Not of all, Sunny and some no a Dawson. Petacreno assume what? When Yansama, yes, sir. We soon Yansama, ye dear Russie. Team Debbie, Munya would say, Master Ferrari. Eh, now, Team Sister Derby. I'm a hanky white, how much I be a white by now, more champagne, say. Munya would say. Anyway, Tietie, Chasutia, nay say, fear Jedum. A jet dem, a jet to a crack. So, Tom Jay-Z, Nick Quando Beyonce, a catcher would say, and I grown no moody. Now, a big issue. A dahobe 1 year near Nemisaf in a air mountain. Or the form of more family born mammy. Na kuma Sunday, a swimming to me, na machia. Ay, concern so me basia machia say, and some no so same a con. There's an itiatia dear, a janning doom. A janning doom. A Ghana rapper, AMG Medical, and a Ghana snitcheni falama caffeine. Not of what's here, Minashan and so. Asem dia wodema ye nkebine mo de beto social ne so tiedin no social enya beto social we are all socializing enti mo de beto social ne so de wadaroma ya bemu aye be kabie ene say tie medical kan sem bebre na me bo wa ha me bo ma me mo ne tofa ma say efie je nya adum na when I mebunu no me ka cha mo say my di kan enkomo ye die say sa social ne media no wo fan sam wo so aye wa wo jejereje wa wo lie because mo ne montra mo celebrate say bi mu twa mo a enka wo beda ho so and drop about 80% of Ghana celebrate mo twa montro hwan snatchi hwan ye say wudi achira wo yem onsu nyina be no na afa wo to apie eti mo mani na ho nkwalai na mani so de mo eti wo fu role models no eno na asemi abeto ho se o manya agya na mu nsem a so tiom Jay-Z to on the ano edin na akọ comment na wo se nkofo trotro say and he's so childish unia be ma no a ka be ka se wo you so childish ho ada na if krom ha mo me ka mema feelings hyesa women empower men no kwa me betikuo men empowerment guys na da no oba ya ade a o say na be ma ye de o childish ho brother na break brother na go through and if the only way obetimi healing is obekasa munya no nkasa munya no vent out e bi o vent out mo de sani akonya funny face number 2 mo di say ya ma na nkasa ho sa na afi didi no eti medical anopay me send light and love when ye issue crampa ye castre anansa ye chechi nipa debi and people are down you don't kick them again na uninu ba and behind me out if your bed do atem obey tete we say according to wa wanu mu asem obey how say unu aba we hen ye man na me ko wash ba akoko e fa wa chipie wadi tete mi nu aba masa wo eti AMG maame onu aba moma moni enko abantie no ho momben no adofo e wona nchen mommen no bibia be ye fan enya wonko ani nipa awuja aware we su betwam wate e mane nya enti no efi agya dum ye fela nso asokane no guy do block me kwa che se me dadam start say me di konkon nge mama kai sister Sunday me cheche there bi aware mu nsem die me oba woni mo chena asem ye oyonko da for me ncheche na emom fela makafo nsu chire mu a attention to the general public sign ase general public me ka ho ye nyina security for ye ka ho wafreyen or see statement by actress no kre aban do twesene was one ni kunu enyantawantawa bosumi bebre enie na omugina atiase atena sese omawari adi mfie nan no ombechem mienu ebubu agu enti on na busuafo nyina atena se a ye hwede be ma ne nsa ama no na akoba ni se wokunu eti social ne so e kansem gu ne ho fin enti fela chemu anya no kre na anya no kre no okay no aya no face the court ska de me de very chichingenti no mama ntwa so why enti de fela kan ye nie na osuni nuaba osuni nuaba me bi ho mo fanyem me kan krofo we social na so na sister Derby ye jai abaya fefefe sei na enkrofo emienu ka bo mu eba social ne so ebe twetwe sister Derby ebe twetwe na bo nyom mo twetwe sister Derby san 1 year nye misro nyame anka meka se mo me twetwe mo so 1 year na ateka be yemfa boni ntwa boni ka enti sister Derby fans nyina no ka ma ba ntem ba mo nka makoma entomo yem na omo go through bibi enya sa time ne besere omo at the right time je de be mo sister Derby also say me I'm calm she go take do ti ebusia ensem ne nkosi fiada de mechirechi mu sei ya kosi say asem no aye na wonim say medical de wasi ne bu o eh so ti Jay-Z abaya no lawyer no fella ne manager ne lawyer abaya ne lawyer ne ko posti letter yi no medical chemu a wonna ma obi adabi ma me abusuan ye na ena medical sa contrast yes say as she says she no wants this anymore. I'm just waiting for my ring and the drinks. Anytime you guys are ready, I'm here. Me too, I'm here. Me so I'm here, pa. Yes, I'm here. Yegina, we are here. That's a ring, you know, be so to pumu. And now, boy. If you mean assembly, dear, me so my for concern me that, me be some more. But assembly pa, I don't know. Maybe something be ti social no so trade sister Debbie say abaya so no kama ka mo trade na ma ne fon band kaniti. But ti was so twen ka wa no monya wild na mo me ntwa so ntentem because some fofo we anim na ye nkoso wa ye ntimi ntina ho 1 week mo nkofie abusua wo ho mo ntena se ensa je boko akwala akra wom a mo nunum ri ne ri toffee wo fie ho akwala island was saying very beautiful girl 2 years to say 3 years mo num ri gu akwala na so we couples hey I get her. You better was watching and near to us who quada. A question if ye sending in a marriage counselors near mum. Na counselor do church crack in 2018. Oh, see, this is the time a marriage counselor mobile bar boom. Na mommy, I hear can't some no. A public afraid. Young nephew who him na quantum. Say Ghana Music Awards and so eba bekoso. Na nano alabaster box eba. Your sister stage or Joy Prime ho. Na hono muche mu say. Oma share who say category be any ho for a cappella for. A cappella o mutimi di omo ni bo bass treble tenor category ni ho mo. So what do mo concern afa ya so say yen tonkra no e ma vagina for no na yen hwese ne a jebe ye no odofo kasama me why.
So come with our tastes and preferences when it comes to music, especially here in Ghana. Do you believe or do you think that now with Afropella, Ghanaians are accepting it, understanding it as it used to be? Has it grown? Is it still the same? How is the responses like with Afropella?
Ghanaians, I think Ghanaians' attitude towards it has always been the same, as you know. Yeah. I remember I did, of course, because the other hat I wear is in journalism. So I did an article some time ago, and I make the point that look, when, for instance, Ghana Music Awards, there was a time they pegged us against one male artist who plays with instruments, okay? But we sing a cappella. And there was a debate on TV and radio. And one of the pundits was saying that, look, these guys, they don't sing with instruments, everything. Listen to the vocal dexterity. Listen to them, they don't go off. put off the music from the other man's voice, and let's play just his voice and compare it to these people. Then you can know who should qualify as male artist. But because that thing is not a popularity contest. Okay. It's a technical thing.
Yeah.
But one was arguing that, look, this guy is more popular than Alabaster Box. Someone said it's not a popularity contest. So from on the back of that, I actually made an argument that, look, we probably need to create a specific category for a cappella music. Then as on the Ghana Music Award, because this comparison where I don't think is fair. Because technically, you can't compare the two.
No.
One is singing with instruments. If you put up the instruments, you will see.
So what was the category that you were nominated
vocal
for? Male vocal performance.
Male vocal performance
of the year.
It's a lifetime ago.
So it came down to just two of us. I think it was us and Nana Finn.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he won.
Well, I get at the end of Madam, I recognize your my 88. Guys, or young quad and no base with home that from when we need your wedding in action, when you're filming in Ashe. What? More recognize your mammy real quick now. Minka was a Franco trading enterprise. Still no, your #1 phone stop shop a honomna ubing be at all. Phones then accessories, machines dear. Just a baby a father guitar hono, money and call Franco Trading Enterprise. The time say phone papa, princess papa, if he and ho. I wish I young quay nase. Young quay nase. Madame, I get me up. Require minimum hoshi. We be true comments. Name say, and they say Ghana, yes, and I am more Jimmy. And I say, Wayne, we be could DJ love. We could say DJ, we could choose so look. What? Guys will be an equation. See, now, my quay, na man, I say, oh, one some more, why in the common? Your unconscious I pajamas. It's not chain. What? Real the bodyguard, I come with you, me, none about my own name to Daniel me. Na and none so. Kwajon cancel when. Emma Ghana yede. Just a history na Brantia set was set a record. That was a very good one. Momon se ma kwajon cancel when. Say gracias. On behalf of Kwajon, me da Ghana for you na say a country called Ghana sold out show what I say. Ye we na done a concert ye bo shows was ye. Ode obi timi ye concert nko ase o. Mo artist gu so ba yo premier movie we no some mam concert ningi na atwa kakra ba ningi na. Kuma wu to the whole ase. Sini no manko bi. Ne mo ko e kire me say come on. Ti ye twen se beba montin na ye so ya hwe bi. Eti no mo wie ye no e na wo fa. Oh wo fe acrobato. A cool stage no so chance say wuni mun san say because me na me wo fa no guys wo fa so dey asade wo fa ne kwa. Who knows tomorrow offer? Show them something. Maybe say ho kuma say yes say ho big up yourself kwajo why ngina so say some kind of concern you dey ndino now we say guru ne le we issue when the kind Ghana for yes say yeah no we home me no e we stage so fe no now nim say bra na ye dwumade kese so we wayare kwajo yare fatu amama kwajo yare oda Ahosepe a ye dripe no enye easy en ka so we show enye easy o so we organize show Ghana emu stress in fact omo me try some be sabotage onko ayefa emu stress emu kasa oh bra na bre to oda Ahosepe a me no kasa but me sure say every weekend here sunyane ni Kumasi premier no na ne ho atona mo be ho no e wa ase nti wo bom paya no paya na wakai kwajo senyame ema na hoden ti kwajo anopa yesro osro hoden shronko ema oje nyankopon ne nsa yare omo ahoden shronko na fato adwumedi papa no eso nti oni hwekakra obi ya yenye hwekakra oh eye wa bi a eye ama eye ye das obi are aye nhyedan yi sa ti wa kakra eye bate mo yan so kra mu duabo e say bibi am de beto so hia ne so yeso adwumani what the two you put we take simple kra enti enko birthday wish no so na me nko Nigeria ho me nko na eye na do so me nko Nigeria ho ka junior pope no menko wate ti yemfa birthdays no enhyehyɛ so real quick yemfa enhyehyɛ so real quick sisi amanfo edi omawoda na me baba akoka ho aka education minister woka ho akora na guide to oba